Today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch band from Ultimal. Ultimal is a company that makes watch bands for your smartwatches, phone cases, and other more accessories. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Steelfighter Urban Sports Band, and then I'm gonna try it on my Apple Watch Ultra. Let's see. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox this one. As you can see, the Steelfighter Urban Sports Band Ultimal. Ultimal did send me this Apple Watch Ultra band for review. Thank you very much. I already cut the tape here. And there it is, the bands. Just gonna take this out. Okay. Let's see the bands in detail. As you can see, it's made of a very soft TPU material, very soft rubber and very flexible as well. And there's a channel around here, helps with airflow, which is very nice. And over here, there's a metal connector where it goes to the watch, and it's fully rotated as well. You can fit this Apple Watch bands to any Apple Watch, 45mm or 49, depending on your watch. But I think it suits the Apple Watch Ultra the best due to its size. I'm gonna try these bands on my Apple Watch Ultra now. This sport band that I'm rocking is called Ultra Flex Sport Band from Ultimal as well. It is like an elastic loop. The fabric is very breathable. You can check this one out at Ultimal website as well. I'm gonna press this and slide it out. Okay. Can just slide it in pretty easily. Okay. As you can see, my Apple Watch Ultra looks very cool. Oh, by the way, there's a lot of colors for this Steelfighter sport bands as well. There's even got a black stainless steel in case your Apple Watch Ultra is black, which is very nice. Now I'm going to put it in. Okay, I go almost all the way. Actually, this band is designed for the big boys. If you got a bigger wrist, you're gonna be just fine. And it still works fine for me. It's around here. I still got 2 left, which is okay. And the band itself does look good on my wrist. Pretty bright. When you go running or go for an exercise, it's pretty bright. It looks like a sport band, and I like the design of it. It's cool too. And as you can see, the buckle over here is pretty thick, very strong. Everything's feel rugged and very durable, pretty sturdy. And as you can see, the metal connectors, the detail is pretty good. Yeah, very nice. Alright, here's the Steelfighter Urban Sports Band on my wrist. Very nice, I like it a lot. Pretty sturdy and very comfortable to wear. If you're interested in this Steelfighter, I'm going to put the links in the description along with the discount code on ultimal.com. You can use the code to buy this Apple Watch band or any other products in their website. That's it for my video. If you enjoy it, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.